Materials are quantum by nature. Now, computers can be too. Chemistry and material simulation consumes 1/3 of global supercomputer time. Computation is a critical bottleneck for energy innovation. Q-Control's performance management software pushed an IBM quantum computer to the absolute limits of what is possible today. We harnessed 120 qubits, executing nearly 10,000 two-qubit interactions in order to solve problems that have never been accessible before. The result? A material simulation that takes 100 hours on a classical supercomputer was completed in just 2 minutes. That is a 3,000 times speed up. That is practical quantum advantage delivered by Q-Control.